this is my asparagus patch here. So I'm going to be putting some fresh compost on it, just give it a nice mulch. So this is my Samphire at the front of it. So it did well last year in its first year. So now I've waited till it's like this, so it's really crumbly. So now all I have to do is crumble it on top of the compost that's already there. You can see the seeds are actually tiny little black seeds, but they will be in a little brown case that comes off, so each one will germinate. So I should have thousands of little seedlings, I would say beginning of February. So you don't have to cover it, just let it lie on top of the compost. It needs, like some other seeds, it needs cold stratification, so a nice bit of winter weather for a few months will help it germinate. So I'll keep you updated and let you know when I've got lots of little seedlings.